Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to crochet a small snowflake. This crochet snowflake can be an easy and quick project to make for the festive season and is approximately 7 centimeters. I use 3-ply acrylic yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. Turn on the subtitles if you can't handle abbreviation. Start with a slip knot. Chain 4. Join with a slip stitch in first chain to form a circle. Chain 3 and count this like first stitch. Next, do 11 double crochet stitches. On row 1 will be 12 stitches. Join with a slip stitch on top of first stitch. Chain 3 and count this like first stitch. In same space, work 1 double crochet stitch. In next space, do 2 double crochet stitches. This is called an increase. Repeat this part 3 times. Chain 5. Do 1 slip stitch in first chain. Repeat this part for 5 times. 2 double crochet increases. Chain 5. Do 1 slip stitch in first chain. Chain 5. Do 1 slip stitch in first chain. Chain 5. Do one slip stitch in first chain. Repeat to make another 4 peaks. Join with a slip stitch on top of first stitch. Fasten off. Hide the tail of yarn and you are done. I hope you enjoyed my crochet tutorial. See you soon.